Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode in your Realme phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here go to sound and then go to Do Not Disturb. Then tap on turn on now and it's done. Now Do Not Disturb is enabled until you turn this off. Now if you tap on schedule, just go to schedule. From here you can set schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. If I select sleeping and then tap on this settings icon, now from here set your start time. If I select 11 p.m. then tap on OK and then set your end time. If I select 6 a.m. and then tap on OK. Also if you tap on days, from here you can choose your day. I select all the 7 days, then tap on done and it's done. Now go back. You have successfully set schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. And that is how you can turn on Do Not Disturb mode in your Realme phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.